Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Raihan, a content creator and freelancer. So today's video is very special for if you are looking for some extra money like doing a freelancing job. And you might hear this sound freelancing job, work from home and make money. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah. So in this video, I will show you step-by-step tutorial how you can make money from Upwork, Fiverr and other freelancing site as well. So right now I am in my Upwork profile and here is a job and just posted 49 minutes ago, and it's really pretty simple work and you can work from your home, from your office, from your anywhere, and you just need a laptop or computer or your internet connection. Okay, so let's jump into the video. So first of all, what will you need to start this kind of job? It's a very pretty simple and basic job, and you will get lots of bunch of job from this platform like Upwork. Okay, right now I am in Upwork and you can see the best matches and the recent jobs. And if you search from this data entry, like I am searching one and basically I am looking for some data entry jobs. Okay, so you will get lots of jobs from here. Okay, and here we go. Generate list of prospect leads, need someone to collect response from employees. Okay, Amazon listing creation, post jobs. It's pretty simple. Excel expert, virtual assistant, data capturing, drop shipping. Okay, lots of job you can get from here. So you don't need to buy any courses to start this project. Maybe you know the freelancing gurus will tell you to learn a skill and earn money. Okay, and you will have to spend nearly about 3 months or 6 months. So I'm telling you that you don't need to wait for 3 months or 6 months. It's pretty simple. Just follow this step and you will learn this process. So today's video is a live project, like data entry live project job. Okay, and I will show you the tutorials, and if you love this content, please subscribe my channel, and if you have any queries, please leave a comment, and if you want to see this kind of tutorials, please also leave a comment below. Okay, so let's go to our tutorial. Okay, so this is our project. That's mean the buyer requirements. Most important thing is to that we have to understand the requirements first. Okay, the job title is company data extraction. So sounds really cool, because the data extraction, that's mean you have to search and you have to collect and you have to input into the Google spreadsheet or any Excel. Okay, so let's check the prices. So maybe you will be surprised to seeing this kind of price. It's pretty small amount, $5. Don't look this kind of small amount, because it's just a start. So it would be your starting point. Your starting journey will be $5, and day after tomorrow and after months, after years, you will be earn $1,000. Okay, suppose if you have getting a job, your first salary is in the same your last salary, like after 2 years, 3 years or 6 months later. So it's pretty a similar process. Okay, so focus on the work, like the job you have done or you are getting. Okay, and day after day you are getting more experience and you will learning a lot of things, and finally you will get a good number of amounts. Okay, so let's analyze this project. That's mean the buyer, what he or she looking for. Okay, hello, I am looking for an individual to scrub for me. I'm looking for 50 companies with certain guidelines to be put into a Google spreadsheet that I will provide. So that's mean we are pretty sure that buyer will provide 50 companies and with a certain guidelines, and maybe buyer will provide us with a Google spreadsheet. Okay, and let's check last point. These companies must be fitness based, mainly targeted. Okay, very important. The main part is that I have to search 50 companies with a certain number of guidelines, and buyer will provide that, and the company would be must be fitness based mainly, and people as target 20-30. Examples of these companies would be supplements, gym apparel, gym equipment. These companies should be suitable for be marketed on YouTube. So what I am looking for, I'm looking for the main part, like the industry, supplements, gym apparel, gym equipment, mainly fitness based. Okay, so let's jump into our main project. Like, I will show you the step how you can find these 50 companies, and obviously, and we have to create a Google spreadsheet first. So let's create the Google spreadsheet. Okay, so it's a new Google spreadsheet, and you know how to create it. Okay, if you don't know, please comment below. I will show you another video. Okay, company data extraction. This is our job title. Just copy and paste and put it here. Okay, so this is our project title, and here is the first column A, and we'll put a column name like the company name and company website, then company LinkedIn, then Facebook, obviously company Facebook, and most important is that industry. So our industry would be fitness industry. Our Google spreadsheet is ready to work, and I'm going to search 50 companies, and industry is fitness. So let's jump into the Google and search in USA. Sorry. Okay, so fitness equipment company in USA, we can search by very specific, like we can input the state name Los Angeles. Okay, Los Angeles CA. Okay, USA, and scroll down and you will see the lots of directory website where you can find the website as well as company name, and we'll check out more places, like it's a Google Maps. Especially we are looking into the Google Maps, and Sunny Health and Fitness. Click on Sunny Health and Fitness and just copy the company name and paste it here, and also the website. Just right click, open new tab. Okay, so this is the website, and just grab the URL. We just need the URL only and paste it here, company website and Facebook page and industry and company LinkedIn. Okay, and then we have to find company LinkedIn, Facebook page and industry. Also we should input another column like the Instagram. It's very important. Instagram page is really important for a buyer. Okay, so let's check the website. Okay, so scroll down and let's check the website footer, and we'll find their social media account. Basically it's their social media account, Instagram page. Copy the URL, paste it here, and let's find the Facebook URL. Here you go, copy link address, and you will find some Pinterest, Twitter and YouTube channel, as well as you will get some and you will also find TikTok accounts. So there is no LinkedIn account, so it's okay. So how we can find the LinkedIn account? So just grab the domain name and open a new tab and just space and type LinkedIn and press enter. So okay, so this is their official LinkedIn page. Here you go. So this is the LinkedIn page. So how you can find LinkedIn? If we don't get any LinkedIn from this website, we have to search manually. So this is how you can find the official LinkedIn, any companies, any brand. Industry is fitness equipment. Just paste it here, or fitness. Okay, so this is how we can extract data from the fitness companies, and we have to collect another 49 companies. So do the same process like New Life Cardio Equipment. Grab their company name first of all, and then we have to collect their website. So just grab the copy link address. You don't need to open each and every website, and if you want to grab their social media account, you must have to open their website. Okay, but if you want to find their Instagram, Twitter or TikTok account, so you must have to scroll down their website and grab the links that you actually need and your buyer needs. Okay, so this is how we have to complete this kind of project, and the buyer will also provide your instructions and guidelines, and it would be much easier for you. So this is the process how you can collect data from different kind of website, industries, and it's a totally company data extraction process. So this is pretty simple. Just have to know how you can find from the different sources like Google search, Google Maps, LinkedIn's, how you can, this is the way how you can find the different data find. So if you want to work as a freelancer, and if you want to do this pretty simple work, so you must have to open a Upwork account or Fiverr account, and you have to set up your profile. In the next video, I will show you how you can create your account and set up, etc. So it's gonna help you very much. So till then, have a good day, tata, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.